Hey guys, how you going? Louis here. Hope you're all well. I apologise in advance for the bit of an echo in the room and a bit of background noise. I've just moved office, so I'm in the process of moving office, so it's all good. So let's have a look at this list and what does it tell us? So in the description, what I was getting at is how do we trade markets mid-move? So the way we trade, we can't really trade markets mid-move. We want to catch the markets before they move or when they pull back, and this market hasn't done that yet. We've sold off and now we're just waiting to see whether the selling follows through or whether more buying comes in. So let's have a look at, starting here with Bitcoin. Oh, also guys, if you haven't already, please go to Bybit, open an account and deposit some money. They have really good mining utilities there, and yeah, they're a good exchange. Also, if you haven't already, please like and subscribe to the video, and if you're already in our community, hey, how you going? I'll see if there's some flat levels in here that maybe we'll talk about today. All right, so Bitcoin USDT. Look, we bounced off this level very precisely, and we've sold back off into these lows. So if we see this selling continue, who knows? The market is entitled to do whatever she pleases. So we can see the selling continue, or we might see some buying come in. Who knows? Like I said, market mid-move. But as far as trading goes today, nothing there for me. Now on to Ethereum. Same thing. We've sold off from, I guess, somewhat of a level through here at 3,000. Come back down, retested. Do we go lower? Do we go higher? Let's see. I don't trade news. We don't trade news. If you're trading news on an intraday basis, you'll be so conflicted at the moment with the amount of misinformation out there. So we just trade. That's why we just trade the chart in front of us, and we just look at the candles and the candle structure in front of us. So for that reason, I don't watch the news. Good morning, Scotty. How are you, mate? And again, for that reason, what do the charts tell us? Not what the news tells us, what does the chart tell us? We're mid-move. Nothing to trade here for me on the Ethereum contract. In our community, we did have some good trades to the short side not long ago. Looks like I've seen some buying coming back here in ADA. So nice cyclicity coming in here on the 4. Again, if we set a lower high here, we go further down, might get a pullback. It's a while off, but there's some cyclicity there in ADA. Now into AVAX. So a flat level forming here. If you're in our community, you know how we trade flat levels. We call the flat levels out, and that is our breakout strategy. I'm not going to explain that here because I don't explain. If you want to learn the strategy, you can buy a course. Okay, so there's a nice flat level forming here on AVAX, and 2 hours, 2, 4, 6. That could potentially be 6 hours away to set up, but it still could set up. If that set up into a good breakout, then yeah, I want to know about it. And then lastly, OMG. So let's have a look at OMG. Let's go down to the 16, down to the 12, down to the 8, to the 2. Look, some nice cyclicity here. If we pulled in, if these moving averages caught up and we pulled into this region at $3.70, I'd want to know about it 100%. Get a little bearish candle in there. Boom. That's a scam, guys. So don't trade because you think you need to trade. We're in a market that's in mid-move. That's why we're not seeing consistent trend, and you don't want to be eaten up by the crab. So only trade what you see, not what you think. That's how you trade a market that's mid-move. Pretty simple, guys. If you haven't already, go to our website, check out our courses. If you haven't gone to Bybit, open an account with them, put some money in. They're a great exchange. And if you do like these YouTube videos that we're doing, please like and subscribe. I hope you're all well, and as always, guys, safe trading, and just keep that risk wound down, and just trade what you see, not what you think. Take care, everyone. Have a good one.